today's video, I'm going to tell you how to ask for directions in Spanish with some very important key questions. When we go to a Spanish-speaking country, sometimes it is very difficult to ask for directions, and at the same time, it is also difficult to understand how people give us directions. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask for directions and how to understand directions that people give us. The first question, how do I get to a certain place? We say in Spanish, ¿cómo llego a tal lado? ¿Cómo llego a tal lado? A tal lado, at that place, at a certain place, right? At the beginning, you can also be more tentative or polite. ¿Podría decirme, por favor, cómo llego a tal lado? ¿Cómo llego a tal lado? And that is a very common and polite question. Another possibility is, where is that place? ¿Dónde queda tal lugar? Where is, for example, the shopping center? Or could you please tell me? ¿Podría por favor decirme dónde está el shopping center? ¿Dónde está el banco? All right? That is another possibility. Also, ¿dónde queda el banco? All right? The person might answer in different ways. The most important thing you need to take into account is that we measure distance in blocks more than in time, as you do. So take that into account because they will say 5 blocks from here, 5 cuadras desde aquí, and then turn right, dobla a la derecha, or turn left, dobla a la izquierda. If you are driving a car, for example, they might use traffic lights as signs. For example, el segundo semáforo dobla a la izquierda. On the second traffic light, turn left. So they may also use some marks to address where you are. For example, when you get to the church, cuando llegues a la iglesia, then turn right, luego dobla a la derecha. Okay? You can miss it, no te podés perder. If you've liked my video, please tap on like, give your commentaries also if you want, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye, thank you.